Evo guys, my name is Alchinwas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a product by Fingers, the Solar Hunk. This product is a wireless Bluetooth speaker which gets charged by its own. Of course, you all have figured it out by its name. The product comes for around 2000 rupees in the market and on the official site. If you check on Amazon, it comes for around 1500 to 400 rupees. But here, there's a dealer link in the description where you can purchase this product at this rate of 1250 rupees only. Well, let's talk about the product and what's there in the box. So, there's one solar hunk by Fingers, one audio cable, one charging cable, two branded notes, and one manual. For charging, you will need an DC adapter. You can even explain more by scanning over here. The speaker has an inbuilt torch in it. Coming to the features, there's dual charging, means one through USB and one through solar. There's 13 hours of playback time, a radiant sound and a durable design. There's also an aux cable connection given to it. You can even use the speaker to connect with the other speaker, so it can sync up together and boost up the voice. And if you see over here, there's also an external FM antenna for better FM receptor, which is over here. Oh, so now let's unbox it. Let's keep it over here. Well, there are two cables given in the box, as said before. This is the product, some manuals. Let's take it out. Well, it's a sleek design. And here is the antenna which I was speaking about. Well, it took me some time to figure out some stuff. How the speaker gets charged on its own, even if it's off. Now, the speaker is on. You can see the blue light. When I off the speaker, you can see over here there's a small light glowing in the socket. That means it's getting charged on its own by solar, where there is a USB connection and even cables are given. Now let's power on the speaker.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
When I power on the speaker, it goes in Bluetooth mode. There are buttons on the speaker where you can change the modes, like if I press the button for more than 2 seconds, it changes to FM mode.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
Now, hold the same button for around 3 to 4 seconds, and you notice the torch gets turned on. The torch over here has two modes. If you hold the torch again for more than 3 seconds, another light gets popped on. For closing it back off, just hold the button again and the torch is gone back to its normal mode. Now, let's hear the sound quality of the speaker. Go to Bluetooth settings in your phone and connect it over there. Pair the device with Fingers Solar Hunk.
Connected.
Now, for better sound quality, let me bring my studio mic close to it and enjoy.
Like you the sun. To dream